Today we're going to talk about family and the names of our family members. So here I have a photo of a family behind me, and I'm going to show you some family members. Now, here we have some family members, okay? And if you see, let's see, here we have mom. In Spanish it says la mamá, but here's mom. Here we have el papá, or dad. Sometimes we call him father. Sometimes we call her mother. Mom, mother, dad, father. Who else do we have? This could be their daughter, or she could be your sister. Okay? Daughter or sister. La hija or hermana. Who's this? This could be their son or your brother. Maybe you have a brother. Maybe you have a sister. Maybe you have a brother and a sister. Here's grandma. Abuela. Grandma. Who else do we have? Grandpa. El abuelo. Grandpa. Who else? Maybe you have an aunt. Aunt. Tia. Aunt. Maybe you have el tío, which is your uncle. Uncle. That's mommy or daddy's brother. This would be mommy or daddy's sister, your aunt. And maybe you have a cousin. El primo. Or la prima, if your cousin is a girl. Okay, so those are some family members and their names in Spanish and in English. Who are these two people? What do we call them in English? Grandma and grandpa. Grandma and grandpa. How about this? This could be mom and dad. And it looks like they have two babies. Two babies. Oh, I like this picture of this mom and dad and their daughter. Okay, we have mom and dad and the daughter. They look super happy. What else do I have? Wow, this is a big family. We have the grandma and the grandpa and mom and dad and the kids, the brother and sister. It's a nice family photo. Here's another family photo. Can you name all the people in this family? Point to the one that's the dad. Which one is the dad? Which one is grandpa? Good job. Oh, and I like this family photo because they have pets. I see two dogs. And our pets are part of our family. Do you have a pet? Maybe you have a cat or a dog or a fish or a hamster. I don't know, maybe no pets yet. But it's always fun to look at the different families. Some of us live with a grandma or a grandpa. Some of us live with mommy or daddy. Some of us might have our aunt or our uncle living with us. Some of us have pets living with us. So think about what your family looks like. And after this video, you can draw all the people in your family. So for me, I have myself, and I have a brother. He's bigger than me. He's older than me. So there's my brother. And I have 2 sisters. 2 sisters. There's my 2 sisters. Can you see them? I have a son, mi hijo. I have a dog who's actually right here underneath me at this table. This is my dog Roxy. She's sleeping. And I have a husband. So I can draw all the people in my family. You can draw your mom and your dad, okay? So I hope that I can see all the pictures you've created of your family members. And when you're done, you can point to each person and say who they are. Mommy, daddy, sister, brother. Can't wait to see your pictures. Bye!